In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A04s, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic screen rotation on this device. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for Auto Rotate or Portrait icon. As you can see, mine Auto Rotate is over here. That means that auto rotation is enabled. So when I click on it, it's gray and it says Portrait. That means that auto rotate feature is definitely off. If you wish to switch it back on, click on Portrait icon until it says Auto Rotate. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!